What's up, Team Curlew? This is your girl Mo.
This is rapper Ozark King here.
Hi, we are back with another video. We're going to tell you guys how we are doing now. As of now, we also opened our brand new store. So today I'm showing rapper how to use the register. So he will be working while I'm working at my normal job. So it's vice versa as well. So today we're going to show you guys around the store. We also going to show you how I'm going to teach him how to work the register since I was taught first. So we'll be back. Bye. All right, Team Curlew. So there's a few steps that I have to teach him how to use the register. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys as well. All right, babe. So basically, we have our accessory, clothes, purses, and shoes. So if anyone come with an item like accessories, all you have to do is hit accessories. So you see your jewelry, your perfume, your socks, and also more socks. So all you have to do is click on what you need, and the total and the taxes will come up on here. If they do not want it, you can hit delete. It's gone.
Period.
Thank you. So all you have to do to get out of accessory, you hit home. If they bring up an outfit, so we have Amiri shirts, we have the crop tops, which is the ladies' crop tops that have shirts. We have the crop tops and shorts. So I'll show you that in a moment. And then you have the crop top Nike short set. You have the Lacoste shirts and the ladies' tank tops, which is on that right there. Male jeans, which is on this right here. Royal Calvin Klein t-shirts right there. You have the Royal Cargos right there. You have the Royal Dior shirts, which is over there as well. The Royal DKNY t-shirts. You have the Royal Women Guest t-shirts. You have black, and you also have white. So I put them in two different categories. Royal jean shorts, which is the ladies. You also have Royal ladies nautical shirts. And then you also have Royal little kids boy shirts. And you have the dresses back here. See, that's the one in the middle. Then you have the skirts, which is the one over here as well. And the skirt sets. Well, I'm gonna show you. And then you have skirts, women jeans. So that's the jeans. And these are the Royal little kid sets. Skirt sets, that's the orange one with the top. If it come with a top, the skirt sets, if they come with a top, which is the orange ones, like the skirts.
Yeah,
the two-piece.
Yes.
Yes, skirts. All you gotta do is hit what size they are, boom. Go back. And these are where we at. The skirts. That's the ones that doesn't come with a set. So it's like the basketball skirt. Okay, that. And the ones that don't come with a top, so the crop top, the pink and orange ones, they are separate sets. They just the top. All right.
They just the bottom or the top.
They just the top, the crop tops. They separate. They don't come with a set. So that's why I had crop top. All right. And then you hit home again. So I forgot. These down here is the kid sets. See it right here? It's gonna say Royal little kid sets, which is those right there.
Boys and girls or
so always hit small, because I set it up to the system. I didn't put the sizes. So with kid sets, always hit small. All right, which is here. Wait, medium little kids right here. So always hit Royal little kid set small. All right. And these are the True Religion sets, which is, the men's set. So when I say sets, that means 2 pieces. So it come with 2 pieces. So you always, when you want to get out of clothing, you always hit home. Then you get the purses. You have the this one, the Telfar, right there.
The big one.
Yes, that's okay. So when you hit it, it's gonna say this big for the big one. Go back, and then it's gonna say this the small Royal Steve Madden. That's those right there. So it's like 45. So you already know them. So the prices on them. and this is the small blue purses, which is the I'm gonna just edit this to small purse. Those up there, they $9.99. Do I do the small one? I didn't add the small one. I'm gonna add the small one. I didn't add the small one. So shoes, make sure you pay attention to the sizes because it's different. Air Force is size 1. You see the prices? Like this is an Air Force 10, so they are different prices. So if they get
10 or 12 is.
This is 12. This is 10.
No, the top one is 10.
So you just make sure you find the sizes of the shoe, and then you click it because all the sizes are different. Different prices. From I think 3.5 and up, it's a different price. 3.5 and down is a different price. So you have your Jordans. Make sure you also look at the size because you may get them some Jordans for a cheaper price if you ain't looking at the size. All right, so shoes. Go back to shoes. You got the Dunks. Also, again, make sure you're looking at the sizes. All right. So they all different sizes.
I got it.
All right. So, all right. So if I ring up someone, I'm gonna say clothes. Say for instance that someone bringing an item back. I'll show you how to do that in a later video because you also have to do a refund, and I wanted to show you how to do a refund if you if they walk out and say I don't want it, I'll show you how to do a refund. So we'll hit home, and as again, accessory, clothes, purses, shoes. All you have to do is hit one of those tabs, and they'll take you to what you need. Team Curlew, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys around the shop so you can see a little around the shop, and I'll be back. All right, Team Curlew, this is some of the stuff that we have in the store. We starting off small, but these are some of the things that we do have in the store. You got the polo sets, tummy, got a little tummy sets. Yeah, have polo in here. We also have Nike. We have Calvin Klein, Nautical, a couple choices. We also have True Religion with the bottom. True Religion. And some little choices down here. We have accessory socks, Nautical, polo socks, Nike. We have more polo sets over here. We also have our own tags attached to the regular tags. We have some jeans. Have a little kid section. Not as many clothes as now we putting up. We still have to put up more stuff. We have like Guess shirts, Nautical shirts as well. I think, yeah, Nautical. We have jeans, shorts, and little women's section. Yeah, we still working on the kids stuff. So this is our little store. We added more inventory. We starting off small. We just wanted to, I got stuff in the storage room as well where some of the shoes are. I'll show you that in a second. And as you can see, you guys, we have a little selection of shoes we have back here. We still waiting on more shoes to come, but yes, we do have shoes in the back that we do have on the shelf out front. So this is the little things for a Team Curlew thing. We starting off our little small business. Of course, everything is small right now, but we planning on getting more items and expanding our business. Me and my husband are a great team. We working on a lot of new things. And we just trying to, put something together for our kids and ourselves so we can have extra income. It's kind of hard out here. So we just trying to keep our heads above water. So if y'all understand, y'all understand. We all got to eat, So this is the storeroom. I still got boxes and stuff still back here, but this is our little storeroom. And this is it. So thank y'all for tuning in to Team Curlew, and we greatly appreciate it. We dropping 2 videos back to back, so watch out for the next one.